Hi everyone, Morgan here. So today I want to talk about how to use and consume rainwater safely. I can't tell you how many people have come to my channel whenever I talk about rainwater and they say don't ever under any circumstances consume rainwater. And I think that there's a big concern about using rainwater because of potential pollutants, especially like if you're using gutters and it comes from a roof, and certain types of roofs, like asphalt roofs and things like that. People are concerned with this, and I totally get that. I get that people are concerned with pollutants in their water, but there's a couple things that you can do. First of all, you can use rainwater to water your garden. You can use rainwater for your livestock. Now, in saying that, and you can also consume rainwater. So these are our two Rainwater Collection totes back here. They are collected from the gutters, and it comes down into here. Now we cover our rainwater with a tarp. With excess sun exposure to water, it will start to create algae, and it may be more suitable then for just your garden at that point. But what you could do is you could always put a little bit of bleach in your rainwater container, so that way when the rainwater is being collected, it's kind of being purified at the same time. You could also use a UV light. Whenever rainwater is collected inside of it, you can take a UV light. They sell like really big UV lights, and you can actually put it inside of that container to sanitize that water. It could take like 4 hours. It depending on the size, it could take anywhere from like 30 minutes to 4 hours to completely sanitize a certain amounts of water. It just depends on how much water you're wanting to sanitize. But so you could use bleach as a water sanitization. You can use the UV light as a sanitization, or when you simply take it from the barrel, you can filter and then boil or sanitize using your preferred method of sanitization before you consume it. So you can definitely use rainwater for gardening. You can use it for your livestock, and you yourself can also consume it after you have sanitized or purified it, okay? Also, just make sure that no matter what rainwater system you're using, that there's always some sort of screen or way to prevent any sort of bugs or debris from getting inside of that rainwater. Put some sort of cloth mesh where the rain can still come in, but bugs can't get in, debris can't get in. That will also help to keep the water as clean as possible, and also to prevent mosquitoes from breeding. Nobody wants that. So yeah, there's lots of ways to safely use rainwater. I highly recommend that everyone have a rainwater collection system. It doesn't have to be like this. You can even just get like a 5-gallon bucket, put some mesh over it, and let rainwater come into it like that, okay? It's better than nothing, I think. You could also get 55-gallon drums. They're not little, they're big, but 55-gallon drums if you have the space for that. But get creative with your rainwater collection, but just again, always make sure that you have some sort of mesh to keep bugs out, but to make sure that the water can still go in. If you'd like to learn more about food and water storage and purification and all that, please sign up for my brand new course at my website at Preparedness.com, link in the description. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.